Hello everybody, I am Dr. Parag Badagat from Mumbai Sujot Heart Clinic. Today I wish to discuss a very complex cardiac anomaly in conjoined twin as seen on fetal echo. Conjoined twins are very rare anomalies seen at a rate of 1 in 80,000 to 1 in 1 lakh live births, and thoracophagus twin, though most common, account for 25 to 40%. So incidence of thoracophagus twins in somewhere in 1 in 2 lakhs to 1 in 3 lakhs. In thoracophagus twins, there is sharing of heart, liver and other abdominal viscera, but the nature of cardiac anomaly and extent of cardiac sharing is the most determining factor. It is very hard for one to see or come across a fetal echo of a thoracophagus twins. Hope this can be interesting. This was accepted in Indian Heart Journal Cardiovascular Case Reports this year. You can go through the case report also. So we are going to understand what is the nature of defect in this twin along with individual cardiac anatomy of twin 1 and twin 2. Twin 1 has got AV wall atresia while twin 2 has got a DAPVC to coronary sinus. Twin 1 also has got a vascular ring. By convention, twin 1 is on left side, twin 2 is on right side. I have used sweep and frame by frame analysis to understand this complex echo. Now this is a sweep. See, this is first heart, this is second heart. These heart are set side by side. In this first heart, we don't see two AV valves, we see only one AV valve. In this second heart, we see two AV valves. Another sweep. Again, this heart has got only one AV valve while this heart has got two AV valves. Just try to understand the anatomy in this sweep. Try to see what all structures are seen, then we will see them individually. This is first heart, this is second heart. Now they share atria, so it is a type C fusion. This is a dilated coronary sinus of twin 2. These are the two parallel great arteries arising from twin 1's single ventricle. Again, this is a pulmonary venous drainage of twin 2 going into the atria of twin 1 going into atria of twin 2. So twin 1's pulmonary vein are going into atria of twin 2. Now looking at the anatomy of twin 1, we don't appreciate two AV valves, we appreciate only one AV valve, and these are the two semilunar valve and gate arteries. This is I think aorta, this is pulmonary artery, and we will see how it forms vascular ring. And this is pulmonary venous drainage of twin 1 going into atrium of twin 2, and this is opening of coronary sinus. Now this is unmagnified view. This is the vascular ring, one part and another part of vascular ring. Now opening of, now just see anatomy. Now this is pulmonary artery going on this way, this is aorta going this way. So one vessel, another vessel. So both the vessel forming a vascular ring over here. Now in this image you can appreciate vascular ring in much better way. This vessel coming like where and going this way, most likely aortic arch, and this is ductal arch, pulmonary artery. This is a ductal arch, smaller one. They are crossing over here. This is twin 2. We can appreciate two AV valves and a dilated coronary sinus. We do not see any pulmonary venous drainage over here. In this we appreciate, if you can see the grayscale images, there is a vein here and vein here, and these are the pulmonary venous drainage. into the dilated coronary sinus. Now if we try to trace this coronary sinus towards cranial end, there is no left SVC. The left SVC is not very well, not absent, and dilated coronary sinus. So by deduction, there is a anomalous pulmonary venous drainage into coronary sinus. Just try to understand this image. I am running it frequently, so you understand this image. Again, demonstration of anomalous pulmonary venous drainage from first twin to another twin. So entire pulmonary venous drainage come to atrium of the twin 2. From there, this is one opening, it goes to twin 1, and through AV valve it goes to twin 2. This is the atrium of twin 2 which receives pulmonary venous drainage from both the twins. Just for your understanding, this is the cord. It has got 5 vessels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has got 2 veins and 3 arteries, 1 vein for individual twins. Still image showing vascular ring. This is at this place there is a trachea. Another still image to make vascular ring more clear. If you want to understand more about the echocardiographic assessment, this is the link where you can, from heart, you can read more about cardiac assessment in conjoined twins. Hope you have liked video. Thank you very much.